Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. So in my previous video I had covered shoulder workout. In this video, as I told you, this will be the arms workout. So I'll be covering 5 variations. The first one will be the single hand triceps extension. Third one will be the double hand triceps. Then the kickback and biceps curl and a hammer curl. So arms workout, basically I'm concentrating on the triceps and biceps. So again, before starting any exercise, hope you do a warm-up performing before this. Watch my warm-up video, which that will be helpful to start with the exercise. So today my fitness partner is Sunidhi, so she will be using 2.5 for the triceps, and I'll be using the 5 kg for the triceps. Okay, so first one, so this video what I'm basically doing is for the home workout. So basically you need just dumbbells, that's it, nothing else. If you have a lower back pain, you can sit on the chair and do, or on the bench if you have exercise bench. Otherwise, no problem, absolutely you can just stand and do. So first one will be the single hand triceps extension. So breathing pattern is exhale up when you extend your elbow, inhale down, and don't arch your back. So hand back here. So tuck, your hand should be closer to your bicep should be closer to your ears. I have seen a lot of people doing this. You can see this, how the elbow is away. So your elbow is right here besides your ears. Don't push it away from your shoulders. It's here, and when you go down, it's only this much. Don't try to extend your elbows by hitting it back. So now we'll start 12 counts of each hands. Single hand tricep extension. So 1, 2, exhale up, inhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Change. So this hand I'll be doing on this angle, so you know how much the dumbbell is going behind. Okay, now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was single hand tricep extension. So start with a lighter weight again if you are a beginner. So next one will be the double hand triceps. So for the double hand triceps, the posture of holding of the dumbbell will be this way. Both hands above here. Same thing, she'll also be using 5 kg and elbow tuck in. Don't widen your elbows. Okay, breathing pattern is same. Exhale up, inhale down. So I'll be doing on this angle. So both hands here, back. Chalo, start 12 reps. Okay, tuck your elbows in. Don't make it wide. Tuck your elbows in, then up. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was a double hand tricep. So 12 reps of 3 sets. Everything is 3 sets. Next one, third variation for the triceps will be the kickback. So what we both will be doing on the side angle. First I'll show you the posture. So 5 kg she'll be using 2.5. Don't, when you bend forward, make sure your knees are bent and a flat back. Okay, flat back, hand here, back 1, 2, no, turn towards me. Now what you do is, when you bend forward, make sure you bend your knees and flat back. Don't round your back and do a flat back. Same thing, exhale when you extend, inhale. Okay, 12 counts. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 3 variation for triceps. First one was the single hand triceps, double hand triceps, then the kickback. So 3 variations. Now we'll go for the biceps. I've covered triceps, now biceps. So biceps will be, first one will be the normal, everyone, it's a favorite exercise basically for men. So it's double hand biceps curl. Same thing, keep your body constant. I've seen a lot of people doing biceps this way, so don't swing, keep your body constant. Only your hands, use your hands and your biceps to this one, and always slow in a reps. Don't be in a hurry, always concentrate, muscle and mind connection. Okay, chalo. 1, exhale up, squeeze, then slowly down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was biceps curl. So dumbbell biceps curl, 12 reps of 3 sets. Then the next one will be, I will be covering hammer curl. So hammer curl, again same thing, keep your body constant. Don't move your lower back or use your lower back, keep your body constant, and always muscle and mind connection and slow reps. Okay, 12. So dumbbell is this way in this. Start. 1, slowly up, then down. 2, 3, elbows little front. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this was the arms workout. So I have covered first one triceps, then we went to biceps. So first one was, again I'm just going to summarize it. First one will be the single hand triceps, double hand triceps, then the kickback, then the biceps curl, hammer curl. So we all did standing. So again, if you have any lower back issues, you can use a chair or a bench, and always perform warm up and cool down. Cool down is important after, just to try to stretch your biceps. So that I'll make a separate video of cool down after, how we can finish it off after working out. So next video will be on the chest, back and legs. Okay, hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.